In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Roblox Shift Lock not working. If you've ever found yourself frustrated because the Shift Lock feature on Roblox seems to have a mind of its own, you're not alone. This quirky little feature is favored by many players for its ability to help you maneuver with ease. But when it's not working correctly, it can really put a dampener on your gameplay. Don't worry, though, because today, we're going to go through each step to troubleshoot and resolve this pesky issue, restoring seamless gameplay in no time. First things first, let's ensure that the Shift Lock switch is enabled. To do that, open up the Roblox game platform and navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon, typically found in the upper corner of the interface. Now, within the settings menu, you're looking for the option labeled Shift Lock Switch. Make sure this is set to on. Sometimes, it could be switched off by default, particularly if you've reset or updated the game, so this is always a good spot to start. Next, once you've made sure that the Shift Lock is enabled, let's see if any keyboard issues might be causing the problem. Go ahead and press the Shift key on your keyboard and see if it's functioning properly. This can usually be checked outside of Roblox by opening a text editor or Word document and pressing the Shift key to see if it's typing in uppercase. If not, you might need to check your keyboard or try it on a different USB port if you're on a PC, or even replace it if necessary since a malfunctioning key could be the culprit. You may also want to consider checking if any conflicting key binds are causing this issue in Roblox. Conflicting key bindings occur when the same command is assigned to multiple keys, which can sometimes lead to unexpected behaviors. Examine the control settings within Roblox to ensure that nothing clashes with the Shift key. Another useful solution is to update or reinstall the Roblox app. Bugs or glitches with the application itself can sometimes cause features like the Shift Lock to misbehave. By updating to the latest version, or uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox again, you might clear out any temporary glitches. If you opt to reinstall, make sure to completely remove the previous version and restart your computer before proceeding with a fresh installation. This can also resolve issues that may have crept up if you've made substantial changes to your system recently, like a large update or other app installations. And there you go! By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the Shift Lock issue in Roblox successfully. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance. Often, they can provide more targeted help tailored to specific technical setups. I hope you find this guide helpful and that it gets you back to navigating the Roblox universe with ease and agility. Happy gaming!